Digital marketing is constantly evolving as new technologies and platforms emerge. Some trends that are likely to shape the future of digital marketing include 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning algorithms can personalize marketing campaigns and make them more effective. 2. Video content. Video is becoming an increasingly important part of the marketing mix as more and more people watch videos online. 3. Influencer marketing. Partnering with social media influencers to promote products or services is becoming a popular marketing strategy. 4. Voice search optimization. As more people use voice assistants to search the internet, it will be important for businesses to optimize their websites and content for voice search. 5. Interactive content. Interactive content such as polls, quizzes, and games can be an effective way to engage with customers and build brand loyalty. 6. Personalization. Personalized marketing campaigns that take into account the interests and preferences of individual customers are likely to become more prevalent. 7. Customer experience. The overall customer experience, including the design and usability of a company's website and social media channels, will become even more important for building brand loyalty and attracting new customers.